Welcome to the world of effortless travel planning with Triplink, where every journey begins with a simple tap. Let's dive into how you can craft your perfect trip. Do you lack time or inspiration to create a trip from scratch? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's see how you can easily craft a journey with Triplink. Using the experiences of fellow travelers. Inspired by other travelers? Copy their trip, then make it uniquely yours. Edit the copied spots. Add new ones or remove what doesn't fit. Rearrange your schedule effortlessly, planning each day to perfection.